हमें न्याय मिलना चाहिए। वो लोग अब मारे नहीं तो उसको मतलब वो लोग जेल जाएं और सज़ा भुगतें, जो कहीं नहीं वो होना चाहिए सब।
These footprints and a few exhumed bones are all that remain of a girl baby who died under suspicious circumstances hours after she was born. Her grandfather claims she was killed by her father's family because they wanted a boy. Her mother, 22-year-old Pappy Devi, was allegedly left to die from excessive post-delivery bleeding by her in-laws in Uttar Pradesh's Lakhimpur Kheri district. Pappy Devi's father, Sri Krishan, had to run around for over 4 months before the UP police filed an FIR in the case.
हमें सुबह खबर मिली थी, गांव वालों ने खबर दिया हमें, और ये लोग हमें खबरें ही नहीं दिया। अब वहाँ हम गए तो जो जन्मी लड़की थी वो हमें पता नहीं, हमारी बेटी जो थी वह वहाँ पे मरी पड़ी थी। हम देखे तब पता लगा, तब 10 बजे हमें लोग वहाँ पे पहुँचे, तब हम जान पाए।
When Pappy Devi's mother Kusma Devi talks about her, she holds her stomach and crouches in pain. She is inconsolable. She last spoke to her daughter 3 days before her death.
हमका इंसाफ चाहिए, हमारे बेटे का तो नहीं, हमारा बेटे आ रहा है, हमारा दिन रात भूलत ना है कोई बार।
आप अपनी बेटी को कैसे याद करते?
हम याद करी थे तो पेट भरे लागे थे, बिल्कुल तलपे घूमने लागी थी, तरक्की आते बिटिया के लिए सब तिनका बनाए रखे हैं।
According to her father, Pappy Devi's was an unhappy marriage from the start. He alleges that Pappy Devi was often beaten up by her in-laws and harassed for dowry. Sri Krishan, a sugar mill worker in Tamaulipur village, had to run around for 4.5 months and petition several officials before the police lodged an FIR regarding his daughter and granddaughter's deaths.
हमारी FIR ही नहीं पुलिस वाले लिखे, कई मरतबे दौड़त 4 महीने हो गए, लेकिन हमारी कहीं सुनवात भी नहीं। हम सब जगह दौड़े लेकिन हमारे कहीं सुनवात नहीं, तो मजबूरी में फिर धरने पर हमें बैठना हुआ।
On 22nd April 2020, Pappy Devi was admitted to the local community health center for delivery at around 2:10 am. Her partograph, a tool to monitor maternal and fetal health, recorded the heartbeat of the yet-to-be-born child. The CHC's delivery note records normal delivery and 1 live birth at 2:30 am. At 2:50 am, as per the hospital's records, the newborn was a girl weighing 2 kg and 340 grams. In the column Identity of Child, 2 footprints of the newborn are recorded. The document signed by the doctor on duty also has a thumb impression of one of Pappy Devi's in-laws who received the baby.
डॉक्टर ने कहा कि बच्ची और तुम्हारी बेटी सुरक्षित गई थी, तो घर पर कैसे मर गई, क्या हुआ, अब हमें पता नहीं था ये कुछ। हम डॉक्टर से मिले थे तो कहीं डॉक्टर ने तो बोला कि तुम्हारी लड़की और जन्मी लड़की यहाँ से हम सुरक्षित भेजे।
Pappy Devi's family members allege that her in-laws threatened to harm her if she gave birth to a girl.
वो दौरे पर हमरे दे गया, यहाँ पर दे गया, जब मार के डाल गया।
कहते थे, फोन पर भी कहते थे अगर जो बेटी होगी तो मार देंगे, लड़का होगा तो आपको जीवित रखेंगे। पप्पी देवी से ऐसा कहते थे कभी कभी।
Sri Krishan's case exposes the apathy of the UP police. On 31st August, Sri Krishan and his family members sat on a day-long protest outside DM's office. It was only after the district magistrate intervened and issued directions to SP Lakhimpur Kheri that an FIR was filed. According to Sri Krishan's lawyer, however, there were more such lapses by the police. On 22nd April, following a complaint by Pappy Devi's father, SHO Dhaurara Hariom Srivastav wrote in the police general diary that Sri Krishan's daughter had given birth to a stillborn girl child. This general diary entry was attested by the Tehsildar Anil Kumar Yadav, who apparently didn't verify this with the community health center. Hariom Srivastav told News Laundry over the phone that there was no delay in filing the FIR. Tehsildar Anil Kumar Yadav said he was involved only in preparing Panchnama or inquest report after the woman's death and does not know about FIR. Her sister recalls how Pappy Devi, the first graduate from her family, would encourage everyone to go to school.
बहुत
बहुत
शौक
सब
पढ़े।
रोज स्कूल जाते थे, हम लोग रोने लगते नहीं जाएंगे, वो रोज स्कूल जाती थी।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
क्या बोलते थे?
जब जाती थी तब कहती, मम्मी नमस्ते, पापा नमस्ते, स्कूल चली जाती थी।
हाँ।
आप सबको बोलते थे पढ़ाई करना है?
हाँ, हमसे सबसे कहती
हाँ,
थी,
इनका सबका
पढ़ाई
डांटा ही मारेला कर रहा है।
कहती थी, पढ़ाई करो,
ये
रोज
नाना
पढ़ाई
ये
करो।
पोती है, इसको साथ ना जात रहा, छोट रहा तो एक कन्या लेकर जात रहा है संघे को।
Sri Krishan spent 3 lakh rupees on his daughter's marriage. He had to borrow money for dowry, but Pappy Devi's in-laws were allegedly not satisfied and harassed her for more.
दहेज के लिए परेशान उसकी मातारी कर रही थी, कह रहे जंजीर दो और मतलब कूलर दो, फ्रिज दो, अपाची गाड़ी दो, तो जितना मांगे वो हम दे दिया, लेकिन अब इतना हम कहाँ दे पाएंगे।
मम्मी नहीं थी, पापा भी नहीं थे, वो कहीं गए थे और उन्होंने लोगों को मारा पीटा। बस पता पापा लोग पूछे भी तो यही बताए कि यहाँ पे हमको मारते और कुछ बताते नहीं।
On 21st August, 4 months after her death, the police finally exhumed the skeletal remains of the female child meters away from the site where Pappy Devi was cremated. Between April and August, Sri Krishan wrote 15 times to the police requesting them to file an FIR. Till date, no arrests have been made.